Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sign up on Upwork as a client. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser, whether it is Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and search for Upwork. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply click on the first result, which should take you directly to the Upwork homepage. Once you are on the Upwork webpage, look for the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that button to proceed. You will then see a few options for signing up. Here, select Client if you are looking to hire freelancers for your projects. This choice is important because it determines the type of account you will create. Next, click on the Join button. You will be prompted to enter various pieces of information about yourself. This typically includes your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to fill in all the required fields accurately to ensure a smooth sign-up process. After entering your information, review everything to make sure it is correct. Once you are satisfied, click on the Create My Account button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation email from Upwork asking you to verify your email address. Just follow the instructions in that email to finalize your account setup. So that's basically how you can sign up on Upwork as a client. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.